Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today we're going to do a sandal shoe haul from Khols. So if you enjoy these hauls, shopping hauls, anything home decor, just go ahead and hit subscribe. If you like cats, there's one over there. She may make her appearance in just a little bit. We will see. So go ahead, hit subscribe. I'd love to have you. We would love to have you as some new friends. So, oh my, is she going to do the, yes, she's going to do the honors and just sit here right by us. But I will, maybe if I move, scooch this over. There we go. Is that better? Oh, did you hear that? She says, and it's not really, oh my, excuse my hair. She's like, that's not really better, but whatever. Okay, well, let's start. Oh, she's like, I changed my mind. I'm scooching over that way. Okay, so let's start off with my first pair of shoes. I'm going to put them up here. I'm going to take a look here. So I wanted to... Oh yeah, that one. Oh yeah, here. We're going to start off with these. So these were from Khols and the brand Sonoma. They had a big up to 70% off sale. So I'm just looking at this now. I'm going to tell you what the original price was if I could see it. Oh, originally $49.99 and it was on sale for $19.99. And I think that's a really good price. What do you think? And the thing is, it's still hot, so you can like pretty much wear sandals for still many more months. But so 50% half price would have been $25 approximately. 25, so half of 50. So this was even more. This was maybe 60% off because they said up to 70%. So $19.99. And if you see this, it says genuine leather. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's not plastic or man-made. It's genuine leather, which is really nice and comfortable. Years and years ago when I was a kid, that's all my mom would buy me is shoes that were leather. So this is going, and you don't really find that too much these days. So this is going back to the roots of childhood. So genuine leather, and this is black, and this was exactly my style. This is exactly what I was looking for. I love these styles. Love, 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 love. I'll show you. These ones are the black ones. So cute, so comfortable, and soft. Very soft, very, very nice. That's how that looks. That's how it looks there. Cat. That's how that looks. Nice. Look at the rubber. Look at the nice, like, treading there. And then like that. I think really, really, really nice. And yes, I'm a size 6. And I was lucky because they actually had my size 6, obviously. If they had another pair, I would have grabbed another pair of the black just to have them for years, you know, coming up because, you know, for that price, these will be good. They had a 6.5, so I didn't grab it. I thought, no, we'll go with this one for now because it was size 6 and that's actually my perfect size. So that's this one in the black. It's just like a leather. It's not suede, but like leather. That's that one. And I have not been to Khols for quite a while, so I was pleasantly surprised. They had nice stuff, and of course I didn't have a buggy, so there was carrying. Can you picture? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And going to the register, so of course I didn't get the buggy, but that's okay. They had a big clearance. I'm not sure where Kohl's stores actually are. Are they nationwide? Are they all over the United States or in Canada? I don't know. they have them here in Florida, so I don't know where they have them. They have them anywhere else, but if anyone knows, let me know. Comment below. So here is the second pair I got. Again, genuine leather, Sonoma, size 6. And then these ones are white. And same thing. Let's take a look. So $49.99. It's so small. That's my cat. She approves. Thanks, sweetheart. So $49.99 on sale for $20. That was a good price. I agree. She says it was a good price. And look at these. These are genuine leather, like we were talking about, and smooth, nice. Look at that. Size 6. Only had one of the like this. I thought, oh, soft. Like here, just so nice. Perfect, perfect, perfect for me. Like that. There's the top. There's the top like that. Like that. Like this. And this has a nice white, but a nice skidding here that they're not slippery at all. Look at, perfect. And like a little, like here, little up here too. So these are just, I am so glad. So glad. So this is the time to get sandals. If you want sandals, go ahead and get them now, because I'm sure many stores are similar. They're doing it up to 70% off. And especially now, some parents are sending their kids back to school, so even more incentive for sandals. Right? I agree. I sure do agree. And I got 2 pairs of these, so I'm going to show them to you one at a time, but they will be the same pair. And because these ones had my size, so I said, you know what, I'm just going to, because who knows, next year they may change the style or do something else or whatever. So that's right here. 6 genuine leather, and the same thing, $19.99, and was $49.99. This is taupe. Is that how they call the color? Let's see. Which is really nice. And these were not smooth like the black and white ones. These are like suede. Look how nice. And like this. Like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. Okay. Nice. Oh, I hear thunder. I wonder if we're going to get rain. It's getting a little dark. Oh well. I'm indoors. And then look at these. Oh, and I didn't show these to you on the other 2 pairs because I'm just noticing them now. Like I said, I literally just got them and came in and got excited, and I want to show you guys. You can move these. You can move the buckles, so you can make this bigger or smaller. So it's on, it has 4 holes. It's on the 3rd one. So I could keep it as it is or make it a little bit smaller, like the smallest on the 4th. But if someone had a wider foot, look how ideal this is. You can just move and adjust. Like, I know. Isn't that great? She says it's great. Like, thank you. And the color is good too, because the white ones obviously go with anything. So does black. But this is just a nice kind of blend with your skin, kind of a nice color. And suede, which I love, 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 love. So that was these. And then I'll show you the last one, which was the same as the ones I just showed you, because like I said, these I did grab 2 because they had my size and they were on sale, and I was like, yep, I'm just going to. There's the other ones here. And so, yep, same as the ones I just showed you, and so nice. And honestly too, like something like this, if you want to even keep 1 pair and wear them indoors as like slippers, kind of, I don't see why you couldn't do that. And just, if you don't want to have your shoes indoors, the same shoe indoor and outdoor, keep 1 pair, wear them indoors, slide your foot in, and you're good to go. If you don't like a traditional slipper or whatever. So Very, very, very good price. I was very, very impressed. So that's why I got the, like, yeah, I'm going to get the 2 of that light color, and then that, I'll obviously wear one, and then just keep the others, and keep the other one, keep the other beige one for, you know, when those get ruined or whatever. Or maybe even I will wear it as a slipper inside. So see, so these were the 2 of the beige, or taupe, they call it taupe, 2 of the taupe. So I hope everyone has enjoyed my shoe haul, the sandal shoe haul. Do you call those sandals? Or yeah, those, I think we will call those sandals. So I hope everyone has enjoyed my sandal shoe haul from Khols. And once again, hit the like button if you had liked the video. Hit subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber friend. And until the next video, I will see everyone later. Everyone have a great day. Smile. Bye.